guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I just did this look for you guys. I just did this look using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, just continue watching. Okay, so first I'm going in with this Rose Water by Pearl Essence, and I'm just using this to moisturize my face. And I'm using the sponge just to take the rest of it off because I oversprayed it. So I like doing this before I put on my foundation, just to keep my skin moisturized. And today for foundation, I'm going to be using this All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation by NARS in the color Medium 4 Barcelona. So this will be the second time I'm using this foundation. I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet because I like the way it feels on my skin, but I realized at the end of the day that the foundation never really sets. It's still greasy and it moves around a lot and it's not transfer proof. So I have to play with it a little bit more and see how I feel about it. And I'm just setting my face with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this e.l.f. blush in Twinkle Pink, and it looks like this. I'm just gonna be using with the e.l.f. blush brush. Then for contour, I'm gonna be taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil on this e.l.f. angle blush brush, but I just use it for contour because it's like perfect. Okay, and then for highlighter, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. in times heart, the e.l.f. in heart one, which looks like this. Super pretty. I'm just going to be using the darker shade. It's super pretty. It's more pinkier in person. On the camera, it just looks so, not so, it looks like champagne, but in person it's more pinky. There. And then I'm just gonna go ahead with liquid liner. just gonna use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And then I'm gonna just do the bottom of my lashes. I'm just gonna go ahead and take just both of these colors that I used earlier. I'm just gonna smudge on my eyes. And then for the lashes I'm going to use today, I'm going to be using these Demi Wispy by Cara. I'm just trying to finish up my Revlon lash glue. I'm just going to go ahead and just trace it with the Jordana Tawny. And then in the middle, I'm just gonna put a little bit of Velvet Teddy. I don't know if you can see it, but it's super natural. I curled it a little bit too hard right now, but it's gonna... So I like these because they're super natural. I don't even know if you can see it, but looks like that. Super natural. And then that's it. This is my look. I'm just gonna go ahead and set it with the rose water. And this is my look for today. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.